may we call on National Youth Commissioner Earl Saavedra to announce the winner. There we go.
The 2013 Youth Choice Award for the 39 Metro Manila Film Festival goes to Pagpak.
Celebrities like to dress up and look our very best, and hopefully people will notice and at times recognize us for looking our glamorous best. After all, from the hair to the makeup to the gown to the accessories and of course the shoes na katerno, napakamahal po talagang magpaganda these days. Kaya here to present the awards for the Mavshack Male and Female Stars of the Night, nandito po si Nadine Lustre, Imelda Schweinhart, and James Reed, assisted by Miss Anna De Leon of Mavshack.
This special recognition does not only signify the celebrity's physical looks for this evening, it also honors his or her outstanding work, popularity, and overall appeal.
Each winner will receive a plaque plus 1 year Mavshack load for unlimited movies, concerts, TV shows, and more Pinoy entertainment anytime, anywhere.
Let's start it off with the Mavshack Male Star of the Night. It goes to Daniel Padilla.
Thank you po sa award na ito at sa inyo pong lahat, maraming salamat. At yun, thank you.
And the Mavshack Female Star of the Night is Eugene Domingo.
So hindi ako nanalong Best Actress. Ito na yun. Okay na din, bago to. May pera ba to? Wow! Thank you so much. It's such an honor to be like Daniel Padilla. Astig! Thank you po.
The screenplay and directing categories plus...
Please welcome Catherine Bernardo and
Daniel Padilla.
Nasa'yo na ang lahat, minamahal kita pagkat nasa'yo na ang lahat, pati ang puso ko.
Nasa'yo na ang lahat, minamahal kitang tapat. Nasa'yo na ang lahat, pati ang puso ko.
Oh, 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 na nasa'yo na ang lahat. Oh, 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 na nasa'yo na ang lahat. Lahat na mismo nasa'yo. Ang ganda, ang bait, ang talino. Inggit lahat sila sa'yo. Kahit pa dapat mang kanino.
Kaya nung lumapit ka sa'kin ay bigla akong nahilo. Di akalain, sabihin mo nga ako na yon ang hinahanap mo.
Nasa'yo na ang lahat, minamahal kita pagkat nasa'yo na ang lahat, pati ang puso ko.
Nasa'yo na ang lahat, minamahal kitang tapat. Nasa'yo na ang lahat, pati ang puso ko.
Oh, 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 na nasa'yo na ang lahat. Oh, 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 na nasa'yo na ang lahat.
Kinikilig pa rin
minamahal kitang tapat. Nasa'yo na ang lahat, pati ang puso ko. Oh, 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 na nasa'yo na ang lahat. Oh, 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 na nasa'yo na ang lahat. Nasa'yo na ang lahat.
Presenting the awards for Best Supporting Actor and Actress.